Come on. Uh-oh, someone has the hiccups. Good thing Daddy's not. Oh, there we go. Are you rolling over? Do it. Do it. Come on, do it. You're halfway there. You just gotta stop sucking on that thumb long enough to get the hand over. Oh yeah! Good job, baby girl. Good job. Yeah! You're so strong. You are so strong. Oh, oof. Ouch. Watch out for the face plant. That'll get you every time. Oh, it's hard to suck your thumb and be on your tummy at the same time, isn't it?